welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Thursday afternoon. Little bit that I want to get through today. Mainly I want to finish off my fox sculpture. I'm getting very close to finishing it. I really just have to finish off this little bit here, and the same on that side, but really close to finishing it. It's taking forever to finish. So I want to sort of smooth out this part to match this part here, and then I'll probably just end up painting this bit, or maybe just smoothing it out. But it's coming along very slowly, and then I don't know, I hope to get it finished in the next few weeks, and have it up for grabs, the whole collection. I have to do the posable art doll version of it, so I've got all the parts cast. I just need to start working on it. So that's the fox head that I have cast. I have to also just work on some sticker sets for next week's collection. So they are the prints of, I don't have any here. The prints that I showed you in one of the previous vlogs. So I'm going to do some die cut sticker bits as well. So I'm going to test those out on the Cricut and see how they turn out. So hopefully they'll be ready to go up next Friday. And possibly start wrapping a doll. So it was a commission, the White Stag commission. I need to start wrapping that. And so it's ready to send off when it is fully paid off, which shouldn't be very much longer. So I think I might do that today. Yeah, so I'll get started. before I finish up for today. So I managed to get all of the sculpting done on my Fox. It has been baked in the oven. So just putting the final touches on it now. And then the collection should be ready to go when I finish up my posable art doll of it. I've sculpted some little pieces that's supposed to go in the back of here. So I'll have a play around and see what it looks like and if I like it. What else? Also painted just a really quick paint job of the face for the posable art doll version of that one. So I also sewed up the body, so that's ready to start moving along with it. I hope to have it finished probably like next week or something, which would be really good, because I've been working on this collection for so long. I also got ready for next week another little collection that I painted these, what was it, the year before last, 2016 I think, and I never actually sold them, or I put them on like Redbubble, but I was intended to do the prints myself and like make stickers and stuff of them. So did some stickers to put them in stock. So it's an Aurora lion, and there will be a print of that available, and also the original one will be available too, for that particular painting. A Galaxy Panther, that original will also be available, and also the print version of that, so they'll be available. I've got a Blood Moon Fox, so this one has been sold when I painted it. Somebody wanted it, so there will only be prints available for that one, and of course the sticker set as well. And the next two are only available in prints as well. So we have Moon Bear, so that comes in the sticker set, and you also get, you can also choose a print as well for that one. And then we have the Sun Bear. So both of those originals aren't available because they've actually gave them as a gift, but there will be prints available for that one, and also the stickers. So that is the whole sticker set. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers in the set, and they're all die cut stickers, and then the prints as well, which I'll do a proper video when the set goes up anyway, so you can get a proper look at it. But just a quick little look at what I did today. And that's pretty much it for today. I'll continue doing working on my sculpture tomorrow, hopefully finally get it finished and maybe even take some photos. And I need to do some test prints for the watercolor versions that I painted for this Fox. So yeah, that's pretty much it today. So I'll probably catch up with you tomorrow. Hi guys, just a quick update. So I have to wrap a doll. This little one sold last night, so they're going to America. So I'm gonna have to wrap this today and send them off probably tomorrow. But if you want something very similar, I have another one that's an autumn theme in my shop. So you can head there at creaturesofnight.com and have a look at him. But in the meantime, I'm going to wrap this and get it ready to send off. I actually got a new label printer, so I don't have to print on a printer anymore. I can print on these labels, which is really good. So I'm going to open this up as well and see if I can set it up. It's supposed to be a plug and play thing, but I might do a video on setting it up and stuff as well. So yeah, a little bit to do this afternoon. So let's get started. Just signing off for today and signing off for the vlog. I didn't get a whole lot done because I was trying to actually set up that label printer, which took longer than expected. I ended up just plugging in the USB because the Wi-Fi wasn't working properly. Anyway, so I'm very close to finishing. A couple of little things that I want to do before I finish up with this whole thing. Just a little bit of paint work to do and then it will be done, and probably some sort of stand. I have to work that out yet, but yeah, it's getting along pretty cool. And then we have the Puzzle Art Doll version of it, so I managed to do the armature and stuff and put it all together, just waiting for some things to dry before I can move on to anything else. That's pretty much it for today. I'll probably leave it there and I'll probably catch up with you next week. But in the meantime, you can check me out on Facebook or Instagram at Creatures of Nat, and you can check out anything in my shop at creaturesofnat.com, and I'll probably see you in the next one. So bye.